Today I'm working on this MTU engine. The starboard engine RPM will not go past 1000 RPM. Now these engines are very robust but very sensitive to maintenance and even more sensitive to fuel contamination. So let us check out what could have caused this problem. Now they have changed the primary and secondary fuel filter already. However, there is a filter not a lot of people know exists. So let us show you where it is. This is the inlet fuel line going to high pressure fuel pump. Inside that connection is a small mesh filter, and that is what could be causing this no fuel issue. No, that's not the filter. That's an O-ring hanging on for dear life. So let's unscrew this connection and expose this filter. And there it is. If you can look at the condition, you can see why the engine will not go past 1000 RPM. This is very dirty, so it will have to be changed. They have made an attempt to clean the filter, and this is the outcome. Now this filter can go back, but it won't last a very long time. So a new one is on the way. So for now, we're going to put it back and do a test. And voila, engine is now going up 1400 RPM and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.